Today I am making a colorful, healthy protein-packed purple yam and black bean burger with a creamy, smoky chipotle sauce. This recipe is so easy and let's make it. Let's start with the patty. First, boil your purple yam until fork tender. Now add your cooked black beans. Lightly mashed, you want some texture, not a smooth paste. Now it's time to add a half a finely chopped onion, followed by half cup of oats. The oats helps bind everything together and give the patties a really nice bite. Now next step is add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of a half lemon, 1 teaspoon of a chipotle pepper, 1 teaspoon of a garlic paste or powder, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, half teaspoon of a black pepper and 1 teaspoon of a salt. Finish with a handful of a fresh cilantro for freshness. Now mix everything really well until the mixture comes together. Once combined, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the oats absorb moisture and makes the patties easier to shape. While that rests, let's make the chipotle sauce. In a small bowl, now add 2 tablespoons of a Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of chipotle pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of a maple syrup. Mix until smooth and creamy. This sauce is so smoky, tangy and balance the sweetness of the purple yam perfectly. Now it's time to chop your vegetables. You can use any vegetables, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, avocados, anything you want really. Now shape your rested mixture into a burger patties. Try not to make them too thick. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little olive oil. Place the patties gently into the pan and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden and slightly crispy. Once flip, add pepper jack cheese on top and let it melt slowly. Now at the same time, toast your burger buns until lightly golden. Now it's time to assemble your burger. Start with the bottom bun. Now add your cheesy patty. Then layer your tomatoes, pickled onions. You can use regular onions also, it's up to you. Lettuce and sliced avocado. Now it's time to drizzle your chipotle sauce. Place the top bun and gently press, or you can just leave it however you want. And that's it. Smoky, colorful, plant-powered burger that's filling, satisfying and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you would try this burger recipe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.